let's have a quick look. And we got ourselves homemade waffles. Hi everyone, welcome back to Sergio Vidal Cooking Recipes. Glad to be back here on this Sunday morning. We're going to be making homemade waffles. All right, let's get right started with the ingredients. All right, so we're going to start with our dry ingredients. I got 2 cups of all-purpose white flour just in this small bowl here. We're going to start with our dry ingredients. So we'll be needing 4 teaspoons of baking powder, 4 teaspoons baking powder. And we're going to mix this in with our 2 cups of all-purpose flour. We're also going to add two large tablespoons of sugar. All right, 1 teaspoon of salt as well, about 3/4 a teaspoon, not that much, just to give some added flavor. All right, and let's quickly mix that in, and we're gonna start with our wet ingredients. So in my mixing bowl, we're gonna start with 1.5 cups of milk, just regular whole milk. All right, so that's the first cup, and then about another half. Let me just add a little extra. There, 1.5. All right. We're gonna do 2 medium or large size eggs. All right. And our second egg. Okay. We're gonna do, I like adding, for some really nice flavor, 1 whole tablespoon of vanilla extract. Make sure you get yourself a really good vanilla. Going in with a whole tablespoon vanilla extract. All right, we're just gonna start also about 1/3 a cup. That's about 3 large tablespoons of melted butter. Make sure you're getting yourself real melted butter. Just heat it in the microwave for a couple of seconds. All right, and let's get our wet ingredients well combined. Give this a nice whisk. All right, we're gonna make sure that we beat this nice and well. All right, I beat this roughly about a minute, just about a minute, just to get things just a little bit frothy. We're gonna go in with our dry ingredients, our flour, our baking powder, sugar, and salt mixture, and mix that in. All right, and this is gonna be our nice waffle batter. Just give that a nice stir. It's all right if it's lumpy. All right, it's gonna make for a nice fluffier waffle or pancake. Looking perfect. That's a perfect waffle batter right there. Beautiful. All right, that's exactly what we're looking for. I'm just gonna let this sit aside for about 5 minutes while I get my waffle iron heated. All right, just to show you guys my waffle iron. All right, I'm gonna plug that in. Once the green light switches off, we know it's ready to go. All right, we'll get right back with the next steps here. All right, welcome back, guys. It's been about roughly 5 minutes. This waffle maker doesn't take really long to heat. Now, I read the manual instructions for my waffle maker. It told me to start it on a maximum heat, which is what I normally do. All right, wait for that green light to switch off. Again, just read your owner's manual for your waffle maker. All right, and follow those instructions. I just reserved some extra butter. Just gonna use my pastry brush and just quickly brush that over just the top and the bottom. All right, just really quickly. That's fine. All right, we don't want our waffles to stick, and we also want it to gain a nice crust. Just a little bit crunchy on the exterior, nice and fluffy in the middle. All right, and just spread that around. Just probably gonna add a little bit more. All right, let's not add too much because it could overflow the waffle maker. All right, we're just gonna close that. I'm gonna give that a quick turn, and we'll wait for our first waffle to come out. All right, guys, it's been about 1.5 minutes. I'm gonna give it another spin. All right, let's have a quick look. And we got ourselves homemade waffles. That came out beautifully. All right, about 2 minutes with the lid closed. All right, that's how long it took mine. Just gonna take this one out. Came out beautifully. Absolutely fantastic. Homemade waffles made here at Sergio Vidal Cooking Recipes. I'm just gonna get the rest of my waffles made here, and we'll give this a really nice try. Like the video, as always, if you're enjoying the content. All right, share this recipe with your family, with your friends. All right, let's get some more batter just so you guys can see this step once more, all right? So just gonna grab another ladle. Directly in the middle, give that a nice little spin. Don't overly load your waffle maker. I don't know exactly how many of these are gonna make today. They always vary depending on how much batter, how large your waffle maker is. All right, so close. I put it to a medium heat. I'm just gonna raise it back up, give it a good flip, and we'll come check on it. All right, it's been roughly about 1.5 minutes, 2 minutes on that side. Let's give it a quick spin. It was starting to try to come out on the sides a bit. This last one here, let's just see how it came out. Beautiful. Beautiful. Always roughly about 2 minutes, 2.5 minutes. All right. Well, at least with my waffle maker, again, check your owner's manual. Beautiful waffles. All right, I'm just gonna get the rest of them made up here, and we'll give this a nice try. All right, guys, welcome back. Here we have it. We got 6 beautiful waffles out of that recipe. All right, so it came out to 6 waffles. Roughly about 2-minute cooking time on my waffle maker. Again, just follow the user manual with your waffle maker that came with the waffle maker that you purchased. We got some beautiful strawberries here. All right, we're gonna be pouring over some syrup. I already got this one nicely plated. Came out beautiful, spectacular. This is gonna surprise and give your family a really happy breakfast or lunch, brunch, whatever you choose to have your waffles with. If you have extra waffles, you can always freeze them and put them in your toaster the next day. They come out beautifully. Just gonna go in with some syrup, not too much, just a bit of that, of those delicious strawberries. All right, let's just give this a really quick try. Dying to give this a try while you guys, as always, get that first bite. Nice and fluffy. Just grab a little bit of that strawberry as well. Soak in some of that delicious maple syrup. There you guys have it. Waffles made here at Sergio Vidal Cooking Recipes. God bless, enjoy. They are so good. Homemade waffles. Sorry, let me chew. Those are fabulous. You can use any type of berries. Just regular syrup, a bit of butter if you wish. I like having them this way. And just with the syrup is fine as well. Some chocolate chips, whatever. It makes for a perfect waffle, right? Like the video if you enjoyed the content as always. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Hit that bell notification so that you're notified when I upload a new video weekly. God bless everybody. I hope you have a great Sunday, a great work and school week going ahead. And I'll catch you guys on the next episode.